Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down and remove battery/SD to avoid accidental inputs. Once done, apply low, even heat for about 30-40 seconds to soften the adhesive. This reduces peeling stress. Make an initial lift by pressing a strong piece of tape onto a corner or by using a plastic pick, never metal. You do this to create a manageable grip without scratching. Keep the camera stable on a soft, clean surface so you can control the next, slower peeling step. Once a corner is lifted, peel slowly and at a low angle, about 10-20 degrees, so the adhesive strips away instead of tearing or leaving residue. If it resists, slide waxed dental floss or thin fishing line under the edge and use a sawing motion to separate adhesive layers. This reduces direct shear on the screen. Make sure you support the LCD with your free hand to avoid flexing. If you see small pieces remain, stop and switch to a plastic card to scrape gently rather than forceful pulling. After removal, inspect the glass and then clean residue using a microfiber cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Wipe in a circular motion and let it fully dry. Make sure the display and any touch functions respond properly before applying a new protector or reassembling. Reinstall battery/SD and power on to confirm. If something goes wrong, such as a cracked protector that left shards, stop, secure shards with tape, and replace the protector. Do not power on if debris may short contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.